My name is Seta Tamanivalu from Yasawi Bas Yasawi. I'm 53 years old and I'm a professional rugby player. For the future, for my kids and my family, I have a young family, so I heard a lot about good things about FNPF, my friends and business family too. So I'm really grateful to be able to be part of the family. It's a great concept from FNPF, especially rugby. As young Fijian players, have to be good what we do with our money. Rugby is not going to be forever. It can be taken away from you today or tomorrow. I think it's, like I said, a great concept for any rugby players, young players or old players. It's not too late to join the FNPF, so I think it's a great opportunity for you to join as well. For any Fijian, I think it's a need to big improvement for our saving. I think most of us live payday to payday, but I think if we can start little, it gets you somewhere. It don't have to be big. You have to start somewhere. I think it's a great investment. So I think for any Fijian and fellow Fijian young ones, it's actually not too late to join in, so you can make progress in the future and make change for your family as well.